To connect your Sony WF-C510 with Android smartphone, first you will need to enter a Bluetooth settings on the smartphone and pair a new device. If you want, you can also connect it with the app, and I will show you that process at the end of the video. So now open the case, and on the back of it there's a button right here next to the charging port. Click and hold this button for around 4 seconds. You will see a blue light blinking, which means you can remove both of the earbuds from the case, and now they should show on the list, and we can connect them with my smartphone right here. As you can see, they are connected. We can move back to the sound app from Sony. It's actually called something else, so let me show you that. It's Sony Sound Connect. You can find it, as I said, on Google Play Store. Download this app, and then you'll be able to connect your earbuds. And here we have them.